Washington, D.C. is known around the world as the heart of the U.S. government and our nation's capital. It is full of sights, sounds, history, and culture. In addition, Washington, D.C. has grown into a first-of-its-kind hive for medical research and device development. Specifically, it is a rapidly evolving epicenter for this work with a focus on pediatric medicine. Our unique access to premier R&D resources makes Washington, D.C. a primary location for surgeons, engineers, and other healthcare professionals to come together. Children's National Health System, a worldwide destination according to U.S. News & World Report, is helping to establish the city as a go-to location for pediatric surgical care. We are thrilled to welcome our pediatric surgical colleagues to Washington, October 7th through 11th, 2016, to experience this incubator firsthand. Home to 12 colleges and universities, as well as 5 academic medical centers, Washington is also the location of the major U.S. governmental agencies and research institutions, including the National Institutes of Health and the Food and Drug Administration. The nation's capital is located in close proximity to major biotechnology resources as well, including biomedical engineering programs at Virginia Tech, Johns Hopkins University, and the University of Maryland. Additionally, more than 2,000 biotechnology entrepreneurs and companies like Human Genome Sciences and MedImmune are located in the capital region. The meeting's location in Washington, D.C. will bring together experts from every aspect of pediatric device development. As leaders in the conversation about more effective and safe devices for children, we are already reaching out to the world's best in these fields from every continent. We expect a full slate of presentations, interactive sessions, and networking opportunities for you and your colleagues, focused around the 2016 WOFAPS conference theme, Reimagining Children's Surgery through Global Innovation and Integration. Our goal is to create an unprecedented meeting for collaboration and knowledge sharing that will address our common challenges in caring for children. These collaborations can be a catalyst to more quickly develop better tools for our field, a key focus for the Sheikh Zayed Institute for Pediatric Surgical Innovation. This institute at Children's National Health System was founded through a generous gift from the people of Abu Dhabi to further our shared vision of global cooperation in pediatrics that will lead to unprecedented advances in medicine. We hope you will join us in 2016 so we may share more about the pediatric surgical innovations underway here and build new ideas for the future. Our current innovations are led in part by Children's National and the Sheikh Zayed Institute for Pediatric Surgical Innovation. At Children's National, you'll see working prototypes of new robotic technology. You'll observe your fellow pediatric surgeons performing cutting-edge and technically challenging minimally invasive surgical procedures in state-of-the-art operating suites. These procedures are made possible by new and better tools that are modeled, prototyped, and built in our engineering labs. You won't see these tools exclusively used in pediatrics anywhere else in the world. Only at WOFAPS 2016 will you visit one location and see this extensive list of surgical innovations focused on making pediatric procedures more precise, less invasive, and less painful for children. Your experience in Washington will fall against the backdrop of world-renowned hotels, restaurants by the world's most accomplished chefs, and shopping in world-famous neighborhoods such as Georgetown and DuPont Circle. October in Washington is one of the best times of the year to visit. In 2016, you'll witness a small bit of U.S. history in the making, as it will be 1 month before the election of the new President of the United States. The energy of a U.S. election is at its highest in Washington and is a phenomenon worth seeing firsthand. From sights to science and research, Washington, D.C. offers something for everyone. So we hope you and your families will join us October 7th through 11th, 2016.